Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this pocket knife. First of all, let's talk about the design. The blades are very thin and you won't feel much weight from this pocket knife. It does not have any texture to the holding area, and it mostly feels cold to touches if you pick up from any time, except you place it under direct sunlight or direct heavy lighting. And it is made of two pieces of metal: the holder, which is the outer area, and the blade. And it does not have any stray clip to place outside your pocket or to hang to any of your pants. The blade cutting area in the below part are very sharp, and even the point are sharp enough. Definitely if you put in a rubber ball, it can puncture it. And then come to the usability. The knife more likely only need 2 or 3 fingers to use it, and you can easily use to cut the tips inside the delivery boxes. Example, this I made for this video, where you can just cut it through. For the delivery boxes you can cut, but if it's heavily wrapped, then maybe you will find it difficult to cut. And then you can cut on paper. Okay, so for its functionality, so it's okay. And a friendly reminder to the viewers, kindly subscribe to my channel. It will be very helpful for me. And advantages of this knife are very easy to keep inside the pocket, but the edges, even when it's closed, these edges are quite sharp. You may feel at your thighs, and it is recommended to keep inside jeans pocket only for short period of time. It can rip some pants material, maybe a cotton or track pants, maybe, yeah, you can rip it off. Disadvantages of this kind of pocket knife is very easy to get rusted, and maybe you need to put oil. After certain, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, it will get rusted. Even if you see it's not a brand new, I use it for 2-3 days, it already have a slight rust at these areas. And one more thing, if you use it for a long time, this area particular, it will become like very thin, and when it is closed, it will be very difficult to use. And one more thing I want to say, if you use this knife, you will put some pressure here, because the knife does not have any support at here. So if you put and use for long hour, you will feel the pain at your index finger. And definitely you can't use this for camping or heavy duty. Only is more to open a tip on delivery boxes and cut the paper only. If you try to get a fire by scratching rust, that's not possible, because it will bend or maybe even break it, and that's it. The knife will not be comfortable to use, and it will not be in original shape. And this knife are around 6.5 centimeter. When it's full, it's like in this situation, and when unfull is 11 cm. If you are curious, the blade size at this portion are around 5 centimeters. As I said earlier, the use of this knife is mostly to use it softly to cut thin materials. It can use to sharpen a pencil. Yeah. And let's come to the conclusion. This knife is a temporary solution in case your main pocket knife is unavailable, and this knife can be attached to your keychain, so it's simple and convenient but not for heavy use, and you need to change it very frequently. And this knife is a utility tool, so it has its own plus and minus. You may think, why this knife in the market? Because there is still a demand for this product where people want to use it. You can buy this knife inside small boxes. Maybe you get 10 to 15. The price in Malaysia are around 4 ringgit. If you convert to US dollar, maybe around $1 US. That's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. That's all. See you on upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.